All right, here we have question 5. Which equations are true based on this diagram of AC? So let's take a look here. I'm going to color code it so we can see it a little bit better. Did you know that AB here, if we add it to this other piece right here of BC, it's going to be equal to this entire thing of AC. So, that's even the first one, so that works. Let's see, we can AB by itself. To get AB by itself, it looks like we have to minus BC to both sides. So AB is going to be equal to AC minus BC. Is that what it looks like? Nope, so that is incorrect. What happens if we solve for BC? Let's go back. So it looks like AB plus BC is equal to AC. Get AB alone, so we're going to subtract AB, So BC is going to be equal to AC minus AB. That is correct. And that means the third one is incorrect. The fourth one is incorrect.